Hello students, chapter number 6, subsidiary book, lecture number 5. Today we see the sum number 9. Let's first up check the transactions of sum number 9. Sum number 9. From the following transactions, prepare the sales book with columns of expense in the books of Sachin Stores of Navsari. Sachin Stores maintain the record of expenses like GST, railway freight, and labor. Prepare the sales book by applying the total GST rate of 18%. GST is not included for the following transactions. Add applicable account of GST and prepare the sales book. 2018 December 1st, goods sold of rupees 60,000 at 10% trade discount to Dhoni Stores. Railway freight is rupees 2,000 and invoice number 101. So the goods sold of rupees 60,000, goods sold of rupees 60,000 at 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. तो कैलकुलेशन देखेंगे तो 60,000 का 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करें तो 6,000. So 60,000 minus 6,000 is equal to 54,000. Very simple. And the goods sold to Dhoni Stores, railway freight is 2,000 rupees and it's a credit transaction, so it's recorded in the subsidiary books. Next one, goods sold of rupees 40,000 at 10% trade discount to Virat Stores on cash. On cash यानी कैश ट्रांजेक्शन्स है. So cash transaction is not recorded in the subsidiary books. So the transactions is not recorded in the books of accounts or in the subsidiary books. Next one, 16. Goods sold of rupees 30,000 at 5% trade discount on credit of 1 month to Reina. Bill number 110 sent after adding rupees 500 for the labor and 1,000 for the railway freight. 500 for the labor and 1,000 for the railway freight. So the goods sold of rupees 30,000 at 5% trade discount on credit of 1 month. So it's a credit transactions and it's recorded in the books of accounts. So we'll record these transactions in a subsidiary books. It means the sales book. A machine, we know very well, the machine of rupees 35,000 sold to Jadeja Stores. Then machine is the assets and the assets related transactions are not recorded in a subsidiary books, so it is not recorded in a subsidiary books. Now the next one, 25. Goods sold of rupees 25,000 at 5% trade discount on credit of 1 month to Rohit of Jodhpur. Railway freights rupees 1,000. Rohit paid half amount of the total amount immediately. Bill number 115. We know very well it's a half transaction is a cash transaction and half is a credit transactions. So the whole transaction is considered as a credit transactions and recorded in the books of account. The whole transactions, पूरे transaction को credit transaction consider करेंगे और उसे books में record करेंगे. Next 30 number, goods sold of rupees 15,000 at a 10% trade discount on credit of 1 month to Umesh of Kolkata by adding railway freight of rupees 1,000, invoice number 118 cent. तो गुड्स सोल्ड ऑफ 15,000 एट 10%, यानी ये भी रिकॉर्ड होने वाला है. नेक्स्ट, गुड्स सोल्ड ऑफ 15,000 एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट ऑन क्रेडिट ऑफ 1 मंथ टू उमेश ऑफ कोलकाता बाय एडिंग रेलवे फ्रेट ऑफ रुपीज़ 1,000, इनवॉइस नंबर 118. तो ये भी रिकॉर्ड होने वाला है. एंड एन ऑर्डर प्लेस, इट्स ए नॉन इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ. एन ऑर्डर ऑफ रुपीज़ 70,000 इज रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम युवराज. इट्स अ नॉन इकोनॉमिक transactions. Order received and order given, it's considered as a non-economic transaction, so it will not be recorded in a subsidiary books. So now we'll see all the transactions one by one and the calculations and recorded in a subsidiary books. Now let's see the first one. Here I have already prepared the format for the transactions, so we can say over times. Now we'll start the here we are preparing the subsidiary book of Sachin Stores of Navsari. तो subsidiary books of Sachin Stores एट अ सेल्स बुक, ये हमारे लिए सेल्स बुक है. सो सेल्स बुक ऑफ सचिन स्टोर्स, सचिन स्टोर्स, सेल्स बुक ऑफ सचिन स्टोर्स ऑफ नवसारी. So here the Sachin stores from the Navsari, that's a Gujarat. Now the first one, goods sold of rupees 60,000 at 10% trade discount to Dhoni stores, railway freight rupees. So first we'll make the calculation. First date, goods sold of rupees 60,000. So goods sold 60,000 minus 10% trade discount, so 6,000 trade discount 10% and 54,000 net amount of goods, and the railway freight plus 2,000 rupees railway freight and plus labor है ना is equal to final amount. तो final amount is 56,000. That means total amount is 56,000. So it is recorded. Now the second one is on a 16 date. We know very well second transactions, it means on I think 10th date is not recorded. Goods sold of rupees 40,000 at 10% trade discount to Vishal stores on cash. It's a cash transaction, so cash transaction is not recorded. On trade date it's a cash transaction, not recorded. Cash transactions not recorded in the subsidiary books. Now 16 number, goods sold of rupees 30,000. So goods sold of rupees 30,000 at 5% trade discount. So 5% trade discount is 1500. 5% trade discount is 1500. So 28,500 plus 500 for the labor and 1,000 for the railway freight. So railway freight is equal to 1,000 rupees and 500 rupees for the labor. So the total amount is again same 30,000. Now the next one, 25, goods sold of rupees 25,000. Goods sold of rupees 25,000 at 5% trade discount. So the 5% is 10% 2500, 5% 1250, 5% trade discount on credit of 1 month to Rohit of Jodhpur, railway freight 1,000, so is equal to 23,750 plus railway freight 1,000, and there is no labor, so 24,750 rupees, 24,750 rupees. जीएसटी कैलकुलेट करना है, बट वो मीन्स लास्ट में कर रहे हैं, मीन्स कैलकुलेशन जीएसटी. एंड नेक्स्ट हमें टोटल अमाउंट पर जीएसटी काउंट करना है. एंड द 13th, ऑन 13 डेट goods sold of rupees 15,000 at 10% trade discount. Goods sold 15,000, 5% trade discount, sorry 10% trade discount 1500, 13,500 प्लस ऐड करेंगे डिस्काउंट ऑन क्रेडिट ऑफ 1 month उमेश ऑफ कोलकाता बाय एडिंग अ रेलवे फ्रेट ऑफ ₹1000. सो द रेलवे फ्रेट इज ₹1000. इनवॉइस नंबर 118, ₹14,500. And the last one, an order of 7,000. So on 31st, non-economic transaction. And we know very well non-economic transactions are not recorded in the books of accounts. So let's see, recorded in the subsidiary book. First one, 2018 December 1st, 2018 December 1st. Here the goods of 16,000 of Dhoni stores, outward invoice number, outward invoice number 101, LF नंबर यानी मेंशन नहीं किया है यहाँ पे. सो नेट अमाउंट ऑफ गुड्स, तो वी नो वेरी वेल द नेट अमाउंट ऑफ गुड्स इज 54,000. ये तुम्हारे लिए नेट अमाउंट रेलवे फ्रेट लेबर और ये टोटल अमाउंट. एंड देन जीएसटी बीएसटी, सॉरी जीएसटी कैलकुलेट के बाद मिलेगी, बट नॉर्मल दी टोटल अमाउंट फॉर द जीएसटी बोल सकते हैं, टोटल अमाउंट फॉर द जीएसटी. एंड आफ्टर एडिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ जीएसटी विल गेट द टोटल अमाउंट. सो let's see, 101, the net amount is 54,000. Railway freight 2,000, labor dash, and the total GST is calculated on 56,000. GST is calculated on 56,000 and it's a intrastate transaction है. So 56,000 into 9%, 56,000 into 9%. So 56,000 into 9%, 9% 2 times होने वाला है. So 9% हम कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो आंसर है 5,040 रुपीज़. 5,040 रुपीज़. 5,040 CGST, 5,040 एंड 5,040 यानी 10,080 उसमें ऐड कर दो. 10,080 तो 56 प्लस 10 66 और 80, तो 66,080 रुपीज़. 66,080 रुपीज़. नेक्स्ट 16 डेट, 16 डेट पर गुड सोल्ड ऑफ ₹30,000 एट 5% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट ऑन क्रेडिट ऑफ 1 month टू रैना. बिल नंबर 110 सेंट आफ्टर एडिंग ₹500 फॉर द लेबर्स and 1,000 for the railway freight. So Rena 30,000 माइनस 5%, 30,000 माइनस 5% हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन किया हुआ है 28,500 रुपीज़. सो नेट अमाउंट है 25 और इनवॉइस नंबर बिल नंबर है 110 और नेट अमाउंट है हमारी 28,500 रुपीज़. रेलवे फ्रेट 1,000 और लेबर 500, तो रेलवे फ्रेट 1,000 रुपीज़ और लेबर है 500. नाउ here no mention itself, so we consider as a intra transactions. And 30,000 into 9%, 9 3 ja 2700 CGST and 2700 SGST, so 5400, so 35,400 rupees total amount, 35,400. Next, a machine of rupees 35,000 sold. It's a असेट्स रिलेटेड है, सो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होने वाला है. नेक्स्ट वन 25 गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 25,000 एट 5% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट ऑन क्रेडिट ऑफ 1 मंथ टू रोहित. सो यहाँ पे रोहित अकाउंट, रोहित of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, that's a interstate transactions, 100% it's considered as a IGST. Immediately bill number 115. So 25,000 minus 1250, 25,000 minus 1250, so 23,750. Net amount of goods 23,750 and railway freight 1,000 rupees. लेबर डैश जीएसटी कैलकुलेट करना है, सो 24,750 और IGST है, सो 18%, 24,000 इंटू 18%, 24,750 इंटू 80%. कैलकुलेटर में चेक करेंगे तो आंसर है हमारा 4,455, 4,455 and total amount 29,205, 29,205. उमेश, यानी कि नेक्स्ट वन गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज़, goods sold of rupees 15,000 at a 10% trade discount on credit of 1 month to Umesh of Kolkata. It's also interstate transactions. All the GST is considered as IGST and the railway freight is rupees 1,000, bill number 118. So on 13th date Umesh account, it means Umesh, and invoice bill number है हमारा 118. See the goods sold 15,000 minus 10% trade discount 13,500, तो नेट अमाउंट हुआ 13,500. रेलवे फ्रेट 1,000 रुपीज़ 14,500. लेबर डैश ऑल्सो इंटरस्टेट ट्रांजेक्शन है, सो द GST इज 14,500 इंटू 18%. तो 14,500 पर 18% कैलकुलेट करो तो GST कैलकुलेटर में चेक करेंगे तो 2,610 रुपीज़, 2,610 रुपीज़ एंड टोटल अमाउंट होगी हमारी 17,110 रुपीज़. अब सिर्फ टोटल हमें निकालना है. सो 54,000 प्लस 28,500 प्लस 23,750 and 13,500, 1,19,750, 1,19,750 rupees, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. So the total railway freight 5,000, labor total 500 rupees to 7,740, 7,740, 7,740 and the total 7,065, 1,47,000, 795, 1,47,795। तो ये हमारा आंसर है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, बट यू हैव टू practice lots of, and we'll see the next in our next lesson or next video, sorry, in a next video. Thank you very much.